I'm Gene Irvin, and a little bit about myself. I was born on a farm down in, west of Yuma, and grew up around animals, birds, out in the open, had a lot of fun. I got started as just a small child, sitting by a wood stove in the house on the linoleum and drawing pictures out of the comics on Saturday nights. And I would draw on something and I'd put the paper under, and my dad would say, "You're wasting a lot of paper." And in those days, paper was probably nickel, but nickels were hard to come by. I'll be showing some cards, original art cards, and some high quality Greek artwork. I will be at the stained glass in Old Town, Casa Grande.